way to Tallahassee for state comps, and what should have been a normal bathroom and gas stop off of I-10, exit 283, turned into another whole adventure.
I didn't see that. I didn't see that.
You can tell her what you want. He wants to try some of the macaroons.
I'm really only get
Just get 5.
vanilla.
What?
I really only get cookies, cream, and vanilla. But we can get different ones.
Yeah. Put your face in there.
Macaroons.
From the Busy Bees.
Yeah, that's so tight.
Off of I-10. Gotta unwrap it here in the camera. First time trying it, so these are
Vanilla.
vanilla.
That's the bad side.
Oh, look, I was doing it backwards like that.
Yeah.
All right, gotta get in there. 1. Oh.
That's good. I like that.
That is pretty good. That's a vanilla bean.
Mm.
Oh.
First bite.
What other kind did you get?
They have cookies and cream.
That's the cookies and cream one. And then we also got a birthday cake. No, just put it back in the bag. Gotta get in the camera. Gotta wash your mouth out. Gotta wash it out with water to get the taste of the vanilla bean out.
Water.
And then try the cookies and cream. I don't want cookies and cream. You can try the other ones.
Cookies and cream.
Here, let me try. No, just give me a bite of that one.
Oh my goodness.
She just got the vanilla. Here, let me throw that in the garbage can. I'll be right back. Throwing this one away. Might as well throw this one away too. Bam. Good thing they were on sale. Oh, yeah. All right. Did you rinse your mouth? All right. That one is...
Horrible.
No, the one you have in your hand is...
Birthday cake.
In the camera.
Birthday cake. Cream.
Yep, we only got one of those.
That's good. It tastes like a birthday cake.
Tastes like unicorn. Try it again. Tastes like unicorn.
How do you know what unicorn tastes like?
Well, that's what I imagine. That's what I see when I bite it. It looks like a unicorn.
Not. Grow up. After your age. I like that.
You like it? All right.
Macaroon.
Macaroons. We're on the last stretch going into Tallahassee, so let's do it, right?
Are we done?
Peace.